Hello everyone, I'm Nami, your friendly izakaya owner, and this is Nami Hey, my cooking teacher cat.
Meow. We'll teach you Japanese through authentic izakaya recipes and food culture.
We have a complete 12-month learning course from level 1 to level 4. Level 1 elementary covers basic cooking vocabulary with September's potato salad, October's grilled rice bowls, and November's mushroom tempura. Level 2 intermediate teaches cooking conversations with December's lotus root sandwich, January's oden, and February's yellowtail daikon. Level 3 intermediate introduces Kansai dialect through March's mustard-dressed canola flowers, April's dashmaki tamago, and May's nikujaga. Level 4 advanced explores Japanese events and culture with June's plum wine making, July's Tanabata and flowing somen, and August's summer festival street food. For deeper learning, bonus materials are on our Substack. Check the link below. Let's start this delicious learning journey together.
いらっしゃいませいらっしゃいませはい喜んで喜んで居酒屋店長ナミのおいしい日本語始めるよ
Let's learn delicious Japanese. Welcome back. Today is week 2, making tempura batter.
先週のキノコに続いて今日は天ぷらの衣作りを覚えましょう。波平、天ぷらの衣はどうやって作るの？
まず小麦粉を準備するよ。First, prepare flour.
小麦粉。
次に卵を割る。Next, crack the egg.
卵を割る。
冷たい水を加えてさっと混ぜる。Add cold water and mix quickly.
冷たい水。さっと混ぜる。
ダマができても大丈夫。混ぜすぎちゃダメ。It's okay if lumpy. Don't overmix.
混ぜすぎちゃダメ。単語1、衣。batter。例文、天ぷらの衣。天ぷらの衣。単語2、小麦粉。flour。例文、小麦粉を測る。小麦粉を測る。単語3、割る。to crack。例文、卵を割る。卵を割る。単語4、冷たい。cold。例文、冷たい水。冷たい水。単語5、混ぜる。to mix。例文、衣を混ぜる。衣を混ぜる。衣作りのバリエーション。さっと混ぜる。mix quickly。ゆっくり混ぜる。mix slowly。優しく混ぜる。mix gently。一緒に衣を作ります。
衣を作ります。Question 1. Batter wa nihongo de.
衣。
Question 2. Cold water wa nihongo de.
冷たい水。衣作り覚えられたかな？
来週はいよいよ揚げてみるよ。お楽しみに。
忘れた文字が Did you enjoy today's episode? If you want to review and learn more, I put together follow-up materials and quizzes on Substack. Paid subscribers can also get weekly guides and exclusive content that match each episode. I'm Nami, your friendly izakaya manager. Thanks so much for visiting. Check the link in the description and see you again soon.